Hello everyone, welcome back to Mo's World. I am Mo, and this is just a quick lock update video because I have been away for a little bit, y'all. Sometimes I forget how long it's been until I check my YouTube and I'm like, man, when was the last time I posted a video? So your girl's back here to give you all a lock update. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at the monitor for my baby boy because he'll be waking up soon. So, anywho, one, if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so you're alerted for all my new videos. I'm trying to do better, y'all. And then click the bell icon so you know when a video comes up. All right, let's get into it. So, last video I made was my retightening video. And it was like a vlog, and I kind of told you all that changes are on the horizon. Well, the changes are still coming. Things kind of got backed up, so let me explain. So I told you all I want to color my hair, and I still plan on doing it. I want to do it before me and Babe's anniversary, and that is June 4th. So it will be happening before June 4th. I wanted to detox my hair beforehand so I can start on like even playing field. I have not detoxed my hair since 2018. I think it was like winter of 2018. Yeah. Now when in the winter, I don't know if it was February or was the end of 2018. I think it was the end of 2000. I don't remember. I really don't remember. I'll link the video so you can check it out. I did an ACV rinse, and it was like, whoa, like it was awesome. But I haven't done anything like that since. So I thought, hey, let me detox my hair before I color it. I didn't want to use the ACV rinse though. I wanted to do something that was a little less harsh, and so I bought I went on Etsy and I bought a those like Loc detox bombs. Like they look like bath bombs, and you put it in the water and then it just kind of like evaporates in, and then you put all the good stuff is in there, and you put your hair and you let it soak. Well, I purchased it back like at the beginning of April, and it got lost in the mail, and I got my refund back. Don't worry, I got my refund back. They were really good. I'm the seller about making things happen, but unfortunately I purchased it and then kind of forgot about it coming in, you know, mom life. And when I started to figure it out, I was like, hold on, it's the end of the month and I still ain't got my Loc bomb. Like, it shouldn't take that long when it's coming from Florida and I live in North Carolina. Like, something's up. And it kept showing on the tracking that it was stuck in Georgia. I was like, it's been stuck in Georgia for like 2-3 weeks. So anyways, it got lost, and then I got my refund back. So then I had to repurchase again the Loc bombs. So they said they're shipped, so they should be on their way. So stay tuned for a video. I am going to show the process of me detoxing my locks. So the main reason why I'm doing this, one, is level playing field, but two, I still have the Manic Panic color in my hair. I know y'all may not be able to see it as much, just like on the ends. I'll try to insert maybe some photos of the color change. I don't know if y'all see it, but if you want to know how I did the Manic Panic, I totally did Manic Panic in my hair without lightening my hair or adding any chemicals to it. It's a temporary dye, semi-permanent, but yet it's been in my hair since I applied it in August of 2019, and I still have it in my hair. So for those of you who are looking for a temporary color option, Manic Panic is not it. If you have locks, it will get stuck in it. So just fair warning. So I still have it in my hair. So of course I cut my hair, so most of the color was on the complete ends of my hair. So a lot of the color has been cut out, but I still have some of it in there. So I remember the last time I did the ACV rinse, it took the Manic Panic out. So I'm hoping that when I do this detox, it will also take the Manic Panic out. So it's like when I say a clean or a even playing field or a blank slate with my hair, I'm not just talking about like the health of it. I'm not also talking about like taking all the maybe product buildup, but also the manic panic I want it out of my hair. So that is the goal for doing this detox. I will take you all along on the ride as soon as it gets here. I cannot wait to use it. So stand by for that video. And then from there, I want to color it. So in the videos to come, I'll show you the color and all that jazz. So super excited, but yeah, we'll go from there. But first and foremost, we just need a detox. We need a detox. So that's an update on that and the color. Another update, I know I told you all about my postpartum shedding. Yes, I am still dealing with that, but I have decided to just take it in stride, and I don't hide my edges. I keep my hair up because I prefer my hair up. I have my hair down now just because I washed it 2 days ago, and I don't know, it's just kind of down right now. But on a typical basis, I wear my hair up, and I was self-conscious at the very beginning, but like now it's like whatever. It's part of my battle scars, and I will show them proudly. Say something. So you know, I showed you all thinning here and then here, and you know, it's just edge line really, you know. So then baby locks I had along the perimeter, they were pretty small already, but due to pregnancy and prenatal vitamins, which I am still on my prenatal vitamins, but during pregnancy they grew like wildfire, and they not only just grew, but they got thick, right? Well, I lost those. Rip. So they were, let me see, this one was here. It was hanging off by threads, y'all. Like, it had thinned so much by the root, it was ridiculous. There was another one right beside it, and I think in the last video, I'm gonna link it right here, that video, I told you all it's become like a little twig. That's completely gone. It had thinned to that point, and now it's gone. And then the one beside it is now gone. And then I had 2 baby locks over here, and that's one of them, and that one's gone. I have one more, and it's still hanging on. I don't know how much longer it's gonna hang on, but it's still hanging on. Let me show you guys. Here it is. Maybe this helps. So, as you can tell, it's probably gonna go bye-bye too. Look at the root, like it's so daggum thin. Yeah, it's probably gonna go. And I literally just retightened it, I don't know, maybe a week or 2 ago. Just so, because I can't afford for my front line, like my edge line in the front, to go without a retightening as often, because they're thinning, and then the weight of my combined locks is pulling more, so I just can't afford it. But all these other ones, they seem like, all my combined locks, I'm so glad I combined. They are doing so much better. They look really healthy and really thick at the baseline. Have I noticed them still thinning? Yes, but they're fortified, and so they're doing so much better. But like, this baby one is probably about to be bye-bye. Rip. Yeah. Anyways, that's kind of that. No, I don't know. Anyways, I could do it whatever way, right? I am loving the versatility and just the thickness and the body of my combined locks. I absolutely love them. Oh my gosh, y'all. Can you just get into this hair? Can you get, oh, maybe it's you see the color? Do you see the color, y'all? It's crazy. Manic panic will turn your color of your hair, and it look like a very natural color, and you don't have to lift your hair like at all. But I'm ready for, that's what I did to like satisfy that need to want to color my hair, or that desire to want to color my hair. That held down the fort for years, right? But now I'm ready for some color. So I'm excited, and I want something that's not like, oh, you know, that's natural looking. All right, now I'm gonna be like, boom, here I am. You see me? Now you do. Okay, anyways. Oh gosh. But anyways, I'm excited. But that's all I got going on. If you all want to know, I've kind of changed up my lock moisture routine and wash routine. I've been doing this since January now, and I really like it. It's been doing well for me. So if you would like to know what that is, or how I've changed up the game completely with my products, just comment below and I'll make a video. So other than that, that's all I got. If you have any other questions about postpartum shedding, any lock updates, the detox, the color to come, all that good jazz, comment below. I would love to answer your questions or even answer it in another video. Until the next video, stay blessed and I will talk to you soon. Mwah. Bye.